Thank you. Say open it. Give it to Alexa.
Close mo, Alex.
Say thank you, Ate Ana. Thank you, Ate Ana. Here. Thank you, Ate Ana. Say. Okay.
This is Zachary's gift.
Zachary.
Zachary.
Open. Wow, open.
Zachary, open. Open.
Zachary, open. Nakatingin sa TV. Ang saya-saya mo, no? Ang saya-saya mo, no? Ang saya-saya ni Zach.
This is for Alex.
You open it.
Buksan because the box cannot be in. Ready? What are those? What are those? What are those? Look at it.
Look at them. Look at them. What are those? The picture. The picture of the bottles.
What's that? So how many? Three? Twitter! Twitter! Open! Alex, you can open this one. What do you guess? What's your guess?
Malaking chessboard.
Malaking chessboard. Tignan natin yung walang chessboard. Bilhin mo na!
Try mo na.
Malaking chessboard.
Oh my gosh! Oh my...
What's this?
Oh my God, thank you, Mami! I love you!
Ano mo na yan?
Open!
Ano mo na yan?
Ano yung loob? Max na kasi yan.
Ano mo na to?
Max na kasi yan.
Oh, money ba lang?
Napalakpak siya.
Okay lang, alastig!
Tingnan mo yung open sa... Tingnan mo.
Ano yung open yan? Ano yung open yan, Alex? Bilis, bilis open Alex.
What are you opening, baby?
What is Alex is opening?
Ano ito? Hindi to kid size.
Ano yan? Ano mo na yan?
Ano po ito?
Ano yan? Open it. Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam.
O, ano mo yan?
Saan ba? Pwede?
O, sige, open na. So, may monitor.
Wait, bag? Bag?
Oh, yan. For school. That's for you.
Para sa eskwela?
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you po, Mami Tito.
Last gift na. Itong finale. Oh, Alex, this is your gift as well. Ganda. Ito. Ito yung ilalagay mo tayo.
Ito po, ano po ito? Ito po.
Yun yung chessboard.
Yeah, open yan.
Yun yung chessboard.
Yan
Ito yung chessboard? Ito yung chessboard? Okay.
Sige, sirain na.
Kain na, kuya. Please. That's the chessboard. Pinakamahal na chessboard.
Wait. Oh, wait, you get battery.
Yes,
Yung battery.
Battery. Wait.
Open it! Open it!
Wait,
Open
hindi ko
it!
get sa...
Tanda, yung box.
Sige, yung box, ha? This is chessboard.
With glass piece.
That's please.
Tandahan.
Wait.
Hindi pa rin gets. Hindi pa rin gets.
Tandahan.
Open it,
Wait, dapat po ito? Dapat po ito? Oh my God, thank you, Mami! Thank you po, Tito!
Masisira.
Thank you po, Mami Tito! Oh my, ang ganda po! Ang ganda po, Mami Tito! Thank you po! Oh my... Ang ganda po! Ano po ito? Charger po ito?
Yes. That's it.
Very good.
There you go. That's for your drawing.
Drawing?
So, ano na? Meron ng ganyan, meron na.
Ang ganda po!
O, saan mo nilalagay yan?
Sa monitor?
O, ano na?
Bakit dalawa yung ano doon? Bakit dalawa yung lamesa doon?
Ito, hindi ko pa nakikita.
Kaya pala.
Yung isa, gagamit. The other laptop, Alex, you gotta use it na.
The red laptop is
The red
for
laptop,
Alex
that's
na.
you gotta use later.
That's for your...
Masyado ano.
Tapos, the other one is for Kuya. Ay, the new laptop is for Kuya. Okay. So, this is another TV. The monitor.
So, dual monitor. Hindi mo makita yan. It's dual monitor for laptop. Binuksan niya yan, nakita ko. Busy ka lang sa isa.
So, this is your monitor.
Opo.
Mom, I got this week. Mommy. Very good.
Ang laki po. Thank you po. Ang laki po.
Okay, mommy, that's okay. Ano to, babe?
Box lang yan sa likod. I-screw.
Like this?
Papasok yung sa baba. Yan. I-screw yan. O, set up nyo na.
Okay.
Ito natin isa tapong
Yes.
So ito po yung monitor at yung CPU.
Hindi, laptop yan to. Parang yung isa.
So
Ito
ito po
isa-isa.
Ito lang sa yung TV na sila lang.
Yes. Kukunik lang, madali lang yan.
Pero may condition yan to, ha?
condition.
Sabi mo yung condition yan, din.
Nasaan ang ano?
Andyan lang din.
Nasaan yung pangalan?
Andun.
Tama na yun.